So I'm going to show you how to change or how to set different languages for different apps on your Pixel 10. First things first, go to settings. Under settings, look for and tap on system, and then go to language and region, and then you will see app languages. So tap on that, and then now you can pick a specific app like this one and choose a different language for it. So maybe I want this app to be in Spanish. I can just choose Spanish, and now that app is going to be in a different language. So when I launch that app, despite the fact that my phone is in English, this app is going to speak a different language once I get into the settings. All right. Now the apps have to support it. Not all apps are going to support this. It also depends on whether the app supports language change or not. Thanks for watching and good luck.